following steps from the story of Noah's Ark. Noah and his family and all the animals had been in the big boat for a long time. Yet it had been raining and raining and raining. God kept Noah and his family safe from the big boat. The big boat just kept floating on top of all the water. And then one day, the big boat went thump. It stopped floating. The big boat was on top of a tall mountain. Opened the window and sent a little bird out. But she came back. Next week, he sent a little bird out again. But she came back with a little tree branch. The water is almost gone. God is good. He cared Noah and his family and